If you've been watching my videos for a while, first of all, thank you. I know life isn't easy right now. Most people are working harder than ever, but somehow still feel like they're falling behind. The bills don't stop, the responsibilities keep growing. And the truth is, burnout is real. Maybe you've been looking for another way to create income. Maybe you've looked at real estate before, but thought it required huge amounts of money, perfect credit, or taking on massive risk. I understand that skepticism. There is so much information online today that it's hard to know what's real. That's exactly why I teach what I teach. Not because it's easy money, not because it's a shortcut, but because it's a unique opportunity that most people have never been shown. A way to learn a different side of real estate investing without having to sacrifice what you've already built, without quitting your job, without gambling your savings, without starting from scratch. For many people, this becomes the first time they realize there are opportunities hiding in places most investors never even look. Opportunities that can create additional income, greater financial confidence, and a path toward getting ahead. If you're ready to stop wondering, I'd love to help you. We're looking to fill just 5 more seats inside our mastermind. And because you've been part of this community, you can use coupon code MASTERMIND for a special discount. If you've been waiting for the right time to explore a different path, this might be it. I'll see you inside.